Good morning, dear learners. How are you? I hope that you are safe and sound at your home. I am also fine. Welcome to my online class has been arranged by our honorable head teacher, Mr. Purian Kumar Das. He is very active and punctual in our school and also well-known person in our locality. I am giving my introduce in front of you. I am Ganesh Chandra Das, Assistant Teacher of English, Gaptala Secondary School, Athapani, Satkhira. My educational qualification MA, B.Ed, first class, registration in English. Dear learners, at first, it is my first class. Look at the board. I write a letter. A letter is written. Have been given two sentences on the board. I write a letter. A letter is written. The first sentence, when the subject of the sentence is the doer or actor, the verb is active. And the second sentence, a letter is written. When the subject of the sentence is act upon, the verb is passive. Dear student, can you guess what I have discussed the topic? Okay, very good. Today I am going to discuss about the topic voice. There are many grammatical items. Voice is one of them. Dear learners, can you tell me what is voice? What is the definition of voice? Okay. Voice is the form of verb which shows whether the subject acts or is act upon is called voice. Okay? Do you know what kinds of voice? Okay. There are two kinds of voice. Please look at the board. Active voice and passive voice. What is active voice? The subject of the active voice, the subject of the sentence who performs any action himself is called active voice. Okay? And passive voice, the subject of the sentence who is receiver of the action but it does not perform any work is called passive voice. Okay? Dear learners, if we want to change the voice, before we have to know about the voice related matters. Three items related to the voice. Number one, subject to subject to object. I, me, we, us, he, him, she, her, you, it, they, them, who, by whom, who. Number two, according to tense of auxiliary verb in the field of voice. Look at the board. Dear learners, present indefinite tense am is are, present continuous tense am being is being are being, present perfect tense have been oblique has been, present perfect continuous tense have been being has been being. Number three, rules for changing active to passive. Active to passive, object to subject plus auxiliary verb plus V3 plus by plus subject to object. Okay, the three items related the voice. Dear learners, go to Dear learners, we shall try to change the voice. I help him. Subject, verb, object. It is clear that the object of passive voice active voice change into the subject of passive voice. Dear learners, the object of active voice change into the subject of passive voice according to tense of auxiliary verb in the field of voice sense is. The main verb is past participle help plus preposition by plus subject of active voice change into object of passive voice. Okay, dear learners, by this time, what is voice, what is active voice, what is passive voice, the rules of passive voice, we discussed the topics. Dear learners, I think that you have understood the topics, and next day I shall discuss past tense and future tense. And next day you take your khata and write down some sentence. It is your homework. Now write your khata. Three sentences have been given the board, and write down to your khata and practice of your home. Okay, dear learners, my discussion has been finished. Thank you very much. Hope to see you again tomorrow.